Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't leave without subscribing. Don't forget to hit on the like button. Don't forget to share with your friends, and of course leave me a comment. Thank you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Today we'll be making this coconutty creamy white rice and kidney beans. Let's cook. Now this is the kidney beans. I have taken it out of the can and run clean water over it. Now to a clean pot, I'll add in my homemade coconut milk. You can use the store-bought ones if that is what you have. Now to that, I added in the kidney beans and then my boiled rice. So I'll just go ahead now and mix all of this together. If you are new here, I say welcome. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and when you do, please hit on the notification, hit on the bell so you are instantly notified each time I upload a video. Now I realized the coconut milk itself would not cook the rice, so I added in some water, and this quantity will be enough to cook the rice now. So to that I added in some salt, and I'll just mix all that together. I'll cover and allow that cook on medium to low heat for about 12 minutes, and 12 minutes later, this is it. You can see how beautiful the color contrast from the kidney beans and the rice looks. I love the speck of the brownish color on the rice. I really love it, and it looks beautiful, and of course it tastes really good. So I'll just fluff that up, continue to fluff that up, and get ready to plate. And after plating, guys, this is how beautiful this looks. From the look of it, your stomach begins to rumble like, I want some. Yes, and of course it tasted really delicious. Please don't forget to like, comment, share if you like this, and thank you so much for stopping by. Please continue to eat healthy and stay safe. I'll see you in my next one.